The robotics industry is moving at warp speed, and this week we've got huge developments. A shock-proof humanoid, figure robots shipping out at scale, a massive $39 billion valuation, and a robot that just learned how to dance. Let's break down the biggest robotics news of the week and what it all means for the future. Booster Robotics puts T1 to the test. Booster Robotics, a young Chinese startup, just put its T1 humanoid robot through a brutal durability test, and it passed with flying colors. In the footage, T1 takes hammer strikes, bottle smashes, and wooden stick blows without breaking stride. How? Booster Robotics is using high-strength metal and plastic to create a humanoid that can withstand real-world impacts. This company was only founded in 2023, and in just 2 years, they've gone from startup to building shock-proof humanoids, a pace that should have other robotics companies watching closely. Their long-term vision? AI-powered humanoids designed for education, research, and industrial use. And if this test is any indication, they're off to an incredible start. Figure 02 ships to second commercial customer. Meanwhile, Figure AI is making major moves. Their Figure 02 humanoid robots are now officially shipping to their second commercial customer. Here's the crazy part. In less than 30 days, these robots were already performing full end-to-end tasks, all controlled by a single neural network. And this is just the beginning. Figure has publicly stated they plan to ship 100,000 humanoid robots over the next 4 years. This isn't concept work anymore. This is full-scale deployment. The humanoid revolution is happening right now. Figure's $39 billion valuation, and why it matters. If you thought that was big, Figure is now in talks to raise $1.5 billion, putting its valuation at a jaw-dropping $39.5 billion. That puts them on par with some of the most valuable AI and robotics companies in the world. The deal, reportedly led by Align Ventures and Parkway Venture Capital, is another clear signal that the robotics gold rush is in full swing. But here's the real question. If Figure is worth nearly $40 billion now, what does that mean for companies like Tesla, Boston Dynamics, and Unitree? Could we be heading toward the first trillion-dollar robotics company? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The UK joins the humanoid race. For the first time, the UK has its own humanoid robotics company, and their first robot, HMND-01, is built for industrial automation. Here's what makes it stand out. Moves at 1.5 meters per second. Carries payloads up to 15 kilograms, runs for 4 hours per charge, features 41 degrees of freedom for natural movement. The company's founder, Artem Sokolov, was inspired by watching his grandparents spend their entire lives in monotonous factory work. His goal? To free people from repetitive labor and allow them to focus on more creative and meaningful tasks. With AI-powered motion control and a modular hardware design, HMND-01 could be a major player in industrial robotics. Unitree's robot learns to dance. Finally, Unitree just updated the AI algorithm in its G1 humanoid, and now it can dance. In the latest clip, the $16,000 G1 flawlessly mimics dance moves, shaking its arms, legs, and torso in perfect rhythm. This follows last month's videos of the G1 performing sports celebrations, proving just how expressive and adaptable humanoid robots are becoming. So here's a fun question. If there was a full-on robot dance battle, who do you think would win? Boston Dynamics' Atlas, Tesla's Optimus, or Unitree's G1? Let me know in the comments. The future is moving fast. Don't get left behind. That's a wrap for this week's Robot Roundup. Which story blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe for your weekly dose of robotics news. The future of humanoid robotics is happening faster than anyone expected. Let's keep up with it together.